Hello, if you want to assign a ringtone to a contact on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, first of all you need to open the phone app, and then in the contacts you want to select the contact for which you want to add a ringtone, a custom ringtone or individual ringtone actually. And then we want to press this eye icon over here in order to open the details. Now keep in mind that in order to make it work, the contact must not be saved on a SIM card. It cannot be saved on the SIM card. You need to use the phone storage or Google or Samsung account in order to store custom ringtone or individual ringtone for a contact. Now over here when we have the details, you can tap on more and then choose change ringtone / vibration and then choose ringtone. Of course we need to allow permission for the first time, and then we can choose the ringtone that we wish to use for this specific contact. Once you are done, you can simply go back, and that's all you need to do. And like I said, if you have a contact that is saved on a SIM card, there is no option to change the ringtone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!